We have this crazy storm moving in. As you can see, where it stops, that's flying. Holy shiznit. And it goes all through here. We're about to get hit with it. This is definitely a monsoon. Oh my God.
What did I tell you?
This is booking. We better get over there. Yeah. Holy crap, man.
Look over there.
I know. This is way darker than it looks. I can't even see. Holy crap. I want to see if it makes these houses disappear, because that is seriously... Wow, this is no joke. It just went from day to night with this storm. Yeah, if I'm an idiot standing outside, I know that's what you're thinking. Wow. That is just horrific. I gotta go inside for this. Alright.